What is the value of this mathematical expression? 6 divided by 2 in bracket 2 plus 1. Okay, so actually this maths problem has gone viral and received millions of comments on the social media sites, whether it's a Facebook, YouTube, G plus, Twitter and all that. So guys, in this video I am going to present the correct answer. In this video I am going to present the correct answer for this question. So this problem is nothing but just an example of order of operations. Hope you guys know what is order of operations. Okay, so guys, I'm going to tell you the solution for this, but don't watch this video just to get the solution of this mathematical problem. This video is also important to understand what is your order of operation, what is your order of operation and how we are going to use this. So with the help of the solution of this problem, you'll be able to understand the order of operations. So you all of you we know, okay, this is just a problem like the example of commonly referred to board mass. What is that? Board mass. Okay, so what is your board mass, beta? B stands for brackets. B stands for brackets. Sometimes it's a parenthesis also. Okay. O is for orders. Okay, orders, or you can say exponents. Exponents are also called beta orders. Okay. Then this is a division and multiplication. So we write it like this beta, not division and then multiplication. Both division and multiplication are having same precedence. Okay, both division and multiplications are having same precedence, and same way addition both your addition and subtraction are having same precedence. So what we do in a problem, if we get the same precedence, if we get the problem of same precedence, we solve that problem from left to right. We solve that problem from left to right. Just guys, remember that this is very important. Okay, so if in a problem, if there are two operations are given and both the operations are having same precedence, for example in this case that division and multiplication are having same precedence, so we start from left to right, means from this side we will go to the right side. Okay, so now come here and let's solve this problem. So this problem, what the first thing is saying, first you will have to perform the brackets. So bracket is 2 plus 1. So your answer will become 6 divided by 2 multiplied by in bracket 3. Not multiplied, I will write in bracket 3. Okay. So we know that anything written, like suppose it's a in bracket b, it's nothing but a multiplied by b. Correct? So next step, after this next step, I can write it like this: 6 divided by 2 multiplied by 3. Correct? So now what you are seeing two operators over here. One is the division operator and another one is the multiplication operator. And what I have told you, this division and multiplication, these operators are having same precedence. So if they are having same precedence, how you will solve? You will solve from left to right. So from left to right, so first you will do 6 divided by 2, which will give you 3 multiplied by 3, and which will give you 9. So correct answer of this solution is 9. Okay, so this answer is as per your modern theory of order of operation. Okay, modern theory of order of operation. Okay, so your correct answer is 9. So now question comes over here. Okay, this looks very simple, correct? The way I've explained it looks very simple, but the question comes here that why this problem caused so much controversy. If this problem is so simple, then why it has caused so much controversy? Well, so there is another answer for the same. There is another answer for the same on which you can argue actually. So if you will have to argue on some another answer, so why you will argue? Because there is a historical usage or historical justification for the same thing. So if you guys know, something is written like this: x divided by 2 times y. So can I write this in this form, x upon 2y? Yes, because our maths, our textbook, whatever we have studied till now, it says okay, this is the correct. Okay, so but it's actually not correct in all the cases. Like in come to your problem. So your problem was 6 divided by 2 in bracket 2 plus 1. So the first thing is of course bracket. So this will become 6 divided by 2 times 3, which is so now look here, 6 divided by 2 times 3. So now if I will go with this method, if I will go with this technique, so I can write it like this: 6 upon 2 is to 3, 2 multiplied by 3, correct? And now if I am going to solve, so this is equal to 6 upon 6, which is equal to 1. So with this method also my answer is getting 1. With this method my answer is getting, I am getting 1 as an answer. So but guys, this is the historical justification, not the modern order of, not the modern order of operation technique. So your answer is not 1, your answer is not 1. If anyone is doing argue that your answer is 1, so you are solving this using the historical justification. But as per the modern order of operation, this is the correct way of solving this kind of questions, and your answer is 9. Hope you guys understand this. If you guys understand this, please like the video, please share this video, please share this video to all the people, so that those who are having confusion or those who are giving your argument that its answer is 1, that's a wrong argument, your correct answer is 9. And please don't forget to subscribe the channel Rapid Gyan. Thank you.